this video, we are going to begin with exercise 11.2 of your class 9 mathematics chapter number 11, surface areas and volumes. Remember, this exercise is all about surface areas of spheres and hemispheres, and I hope by now you have learned the formula to both the values, both the areas. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, while total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. It's extremely easy, it's a very basic exercise. Question 1, 2 and 3 are very direct questions. In question 1 you are given the radii of the spheres, you simply have to find the surface areas. So you will simply put the values of radius here. In the second question you are given the diameters of the spheres, so from the diameters you will find out the radii and you will be putting the values here and you will get the surface area of the sphere. In the third question, it is about hemisphere. You are given the radius directly. You simply have to put the values here and you will get the answer. So in this video, we will be beginning with question number 4. Let's read and understand the question. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeters to 14 centimeters as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. Very basic, very simple. एक बलून है, उसको वो ऑलरेडी स्फेरिकल शेप में है, उसका रेडियस है 7 सेंटीमीटर. जैसे ही उसमें हवा भरी जा रही है, इट इज इंक्रीजिंग टू द रेडियस ऑफ 14 सेंटीमीटर. हमें फाइंड करना है व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ द टू बलून्स, मतलब टू केसेस में जो बलून्स बनेंगे उनका सरफेस एरिया का रेशियो निकालना है. नाउ रिमेंबर, रेशियो निकालने के लिए यू डोंट हैव टू गो फॉर फाइंडिंग सरफेस एरिया सेपरेटली. What you have to do is simply you have to give surface area 1 upon surface area 2, where 1 is the case of a balloon filled without air and in the second case it is filled with air. Okay, so surface area 1 will be pi r1 square, 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. Okay, where r1 is 7 जो initially balloon का रेडियस था, r2 is 14 जो in the second case balloon का रेडियस है. So 4 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. You are left with r1 by r2 whole square. That is 7 by 14 whole square. That is 1 by 2 whole square, and that is 1:4. So the ratio is 1:4 without having to calculate anything major here. Correct? अगर आप separately find करते तो आपको pi 4 भी multiply करना पड़ता, pi का value देना पड़ता. But if you are taking the ratio directly, it gets cancelled out. Clear? Okay, now let's read and understand question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tinplating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Like I have said earlier also कि हम rate को convert नहीं करेंगे, जो भी दिया है हम वैसे ही use करेंगे. So the rate is 16 by 100 centimeter square. There is a hemispherical bowl. ओके, और उसको बाहर से टिन प्लेटिंग करना है, मतलब आपको रेडियस 10.5 दे दिया है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ टिन प्लेटिंग. तो कॉस्ट क्या होगा? सिंपली इट विल बी रेट इनटू कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. तो रेट इज 16 by 100 इनटू कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर विल बी 2 pi r square, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. 10.5 मतलब 105 by 10 और स्क्वायर है तो 2 बार. करेक्ट? Now cancel as much as you can. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Okay. 5 threes are 5 twos are 2 get cancelled. Now don't cancel anything. I can see कि अब ये अगर हम इसको 5 से 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 2s are 2, 8s are. Now we are left with nothing. It is 8 into 22 into 3 into 21 upon 100. Whatever you get the answer, you simply have to multiply and put 2 decimal points. You will get your cost of tinplating. Clear? Which comes out to be 27.72 rupees. Okay, 27 rupees 72 paisa. That is your answer. Alright. You have to find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. which is already given to you as 154. So r square will be equal to 154 upon 4 pi. 4 pi and writing it as 22 upon 7. Clear? Cancel as much as you can. 11 2s are 11, 7s are. What are you left with? You are left with 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2. Now see here, you have r square. तो आपको already r find करना है. तो don't multiply this. Okay, don't do this. You already can see कि अगर दो 7 है तो square root में एक ही 7 आएगा. अगर दो 2 है तो square root में एक ही 2 आएगा. So you are left with 7.2, that is 3.5 centimeters. So that is the required radius. Clear? Okay. Question number 7. Let's read. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. Okay, this is written in subscript. Okay, don't write it together. You can write it like this. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. That means the radius is also 1/4. Correct? So we need to find the ratio of surface area. So we get 4 pi radius of moon square upon 4 pi radius of earth square. So here we get 4 pi get cancelled. Radius of moon को हम replace कर देंगे by this, or we can do this. The radius of earth is 4 times radius of moon. Whatever is comfortable to you. We will replace radius of earth with 4 times radius of moon. So radius of moon whole square upon this is 4 times radius of moon whole square. Correct? What are we getting? Radius of moon upon 4 times radius of moon whole square. Radius of moon get cancelled. So this is 1 by 4 whole square, which is equal to 1 upon 60. So that's how easy this is. It's not anything problematic, or many calculations are not involved, right? Therefore, the required ratio is 1:60. Is that clear? Okay. Alright, so now let's just go for the last two questions. Let's read question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 cm thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. There is a bowl whose thickness is 0.25 cm. That is this portion. And its inner radius is 5 cm. So what will be the outer radius? It will be the inner radius plus the thickness. So we get inner radius as 5.25 centimeters. And what we have to find is outer surface area of the bowl. That is, we have to use radius 5.25 centimeters, right? It is 2 pi r square. That is what we get, 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 5.25. So 525 by 100 into 525 by 100. 75, 5 105 is 520 is 10 and 2, 5 2s are 1s are 5, 20, 10 and 11. Let's not go ahead. We are left with 11 into 75 into 21 upon 100. Whatever answer you get is the surface area of the bowl, which comes out to be 173.25 centimeters square. Okay, alright. Let's go ahead with the last one, question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Find the surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, and ratio of the area obtained in 1 and 2. See, a cylinder just encloses the sphere. That means that the boundaries are level to each other. मतलब surface of the sphere touches the cylinder and the top of the cylinder touches the sphere. This is how it is. ये sphere एकदम पैक हो गया है अंदर. तो surface area of cylinder और sphere find करना है. What we will do is we will have to understand कि अगर ये पूरा sphere है तो उसका radius is r. That means this is also r. So ये total कितना होगा? This will be also r. So ये total कितना होगा, it will be 2r, which is nothing but height of the cylinder, correct? And it just encloses, मतलब उसका sphere perfect है as it is level to the cylinder. So the radius of sphere is equal to radius of the cylinder. So we have written the radius of sphere is also r, radius of cylinder is also r, and height of cylinder is going to be 2r. Okay, we have to find surface area of sphere, which is simple, 4 pi r square. R का value कोई दिया नहीं है, so you don't have to put the values in, correct? In some cases you might be given the value of r, तो आपको सब डाल के check करना है, correct? Now CSG of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Like I said in the first video, जिसका link आपको इसके description में भी मिल जाएगा, उस वीडियो में मैंने फॉर्मूला टेबल लिखवाते टाइम बोला था कि there is only one question which involves the surface area of cylinder. This is that question, correct? So this is 2 pi rh. Here we have h as 2r, correct? 2 times radius. Therefore this becomes 4 pi r square. Okay, so 2r and r into r square. We have to find the ratio which is obtained in 1 and 2. So 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. This is equal to 1:1. So that is the required ratio. So that's about your exercise 11.2, which is very basic, very easy. Simply you have to use the formula and find out the values. In the next video, we will be starting with examples which are related to volumes of the cones. Again, very basic questions, because volume has only one formula as compared to surface areas, right? So stay tuned for the next video. तब तक के लिए please keep learning, keep revising.